Hello, we are John Smith and welcome to our YouTube channel. Do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel in order to get daily updates. We would like to give our audience a brief introduction about us and why we created this YouTube channel. Well, the purpose of the channel is to make knowledge for free, and that is what we call freedom. Everybody wants happiness, nobody wants pain, but you cannot have a rainbow without a little rain. And the truth is, nobody can give you freedom, nobody can give you equality or justice. If you are a man, you take it. The trend has been set from entrepreneur to entrepreneur. And what is entrepreneur? An entrepreneur is an entrepreneur who identifies opportunities for creating enterprising information-based business by identifying knowledge deficiency situations such as gaps and vacuum in the market and selling target-based information, products and services mainly through the internet. Therefore, we are doing the same. We are sharing the knowledge for free through this YouTube medium to help everyone to learn and earn, meanwhile helping ourselves as well to earn bread and butter by passing on the information-based knowledge and research-based knowledge to our audience that we have got. Your support is needed to take this YouTube channel alive. You can go to our Telegram channel and join it for free to check latest signals and contents and updates. Let's start the video. Well, dollar is losing its value and dropping down further. The dollar surged to a 3-year high in March as the near shutdown of the global economy triggered financial market turmoil and a scramble for the US currency. Analyst says the market sentiment will depend on the latest action from the Federal Reserve as it holds its monetary policy meeting. This will be the first meeting for the central bank after the committee announced its new inflation target for an average 2%. Many analysts have said that Federal Reserve's new inflation target and its focus on promoting full employment created a new long-term uptrend in gold. Let's talk about the US debt. I will show the US debt in real time. US debt has passed $26.7 trillion and it is still rising. This is the main reason why dollar is losing its value. FED is printing more dollars in order to sustain, but it will not effective. Again, it will not effective because printing more money creates poverty. So the momentum and big investment from institutional money and small medium enterprises money is shifting and moving into safe haven assets such as gold, silver and Bitcoin. Today we are going to talk about a little about gold, the stock price and how one can earn by trading this digital commodity under your domestic laws. Let's start with gold chart. We have achieved $2,000 all-time high in gold. This is the highest price gold has achieved in the last 800 years. As you can see, from October 1999 till July 2011, gold has a very beautiful parabolic run to the upside. And now we are forming a cup and handle pattern, which is a bullish pattern in trading. Well, you can see here, I have made a demonstration by placing an oval diagram in the gold chart like this from top to bottom. As you can see here, the bottom is at $994 and we can see from here to $3,000 a parabolic run in upcoming years. Let me show you how this cup and handle formation is very effective and how it plays. You can see in this diagram, cup and handle pattern continuation. From lower trend to the upside trend, we are forming the oval shape and the handle. This handle has a breakout point at here, and the breakout point till the price target is measured by this open handle depth. Let me show you. This is the breakout. You can see lower trend to the upside trend. The oval has been formed and the handle is left. This is the formation that we are watching right now. As you can see the target, we can measure it from top to bottom like this, and we will place it at the most possible breakout point, which will be at here. You can see we can go towards $2,882 in the near future. This will be the good trade in the near future, and I am bullish in long term on gold. As this is the main safe haven asset, a tangible product, a tangible commodity, a very good hard solid material that is being used from decades to store the value. Okay, let's come to the point. This is the formation of handle, as you can see in the picture, the handle. So the breakout point will be here, and the handle correction will be most probably at 0.2 Fibonacci levels, which will be at like $1,700. So this is the short-term trade. You can buy the dip at $1,700 and you can sell it in the coming years. Holding will be 2 to 3 years and you can get a good return in gold. Well, the point of explaining all these things is this: the correlated relationship between gold, stock price, and Bitcoin. Bitcoin always follow stock price and gold. Wherever gold and a stock price show some positive movement, gold and Bitcoin follow it. Let's now talk about the stock price. As you can see, the stock price chart. I have marked the August 2017 till September 2017 with the marker. You can see here a sell signal and a buy signal. Similarly, we can see a sell signal and a buy signal between August and September in the stock market price. I have drawn a trend line over here, which I am deleting right now, and I will show you from here right now. As you can see, stocks prices are fabricated, but they are beautifully following the trend here. Alright, perfect. Well, now you see, I have also drawn the vertical lines over here to demonstrate the period of August to September. This is the correction period. Okay, let's see how much we can get retrace or correct in the upcoming days and weeks. I have drawn the bars over here. You can see I am expecting it to come over at 0.3 Fibonacci levels and then bounce back from here to the upside to its new all-time high target, which is most probably at 19 to 20%, 3,700 approximate, on new all-time high in stock price in the upcoming days and weeks and months. Okay, let's come back to the main thing, which is the trend line. The trend is your friend. As you can see, we have lots of support over here, over here, over here, over here, and over here. And you can see resistance over here, and over here. So the main point is we can see a big all-time high in upcoming days and weeks at this point, or maybe we can surpass the trend line, because we are going to see a very much big moves in upcoming days due to the global economic situations, elections, tensions between the countries. So these are the factors and fundamentals things that could bring the price and fabricate it to the higher numbers. Well, now I will show you why I am discussing stock price and gold price in very deep, and why I am telling you the future movements of these assets. Because Bitcoin is correlated with these two assets. Now here you see in Bitcoin, I have a couple of sell signals and buy signals which has played out very well. This is my own indicator designed by me. As you can see over here, March scenario, we can see left shoulder, right shoulder and head. Similarly, we can see here in September and August time frame, we can see right and left shoulders and head. This is a head and shoulder pattern, which is always played out very well. Head and shoulder is a very potential pattern to be noted, and it always a bearish signal, a bearish pattern, which indicates the price will go down in the near future. Like here we see a very big correction after that head and shoulder, and this is the coronavirus correction that has been due to the instability of the market and the panic selling. As you can see here, we have seen approximately 51% correction after the head and shoulder pattern played. Now you can see the upcoming correction. We can expect a downward movement from this point onwards to 7,000 levels, which will be minus 31% correction. And if I take it from the upside of the all-time high of August and September, it will be the correction of 42% if we go down below these levels. Okay, as you can see in March scenario, we are below the 20 EMA ribbon. As you can see here, whenever we are above this 20 EMA, we see Bitcoin healthy movements, and whenever we saw price below this 20 EMA ribbon, we see a massive downwards move. So you can see here we are below this 20 EMA ribbon now, and the price is trying hard to break above this level, but in my opinion, most probably it will not get back to the upside, because the support is very weak. The 9,700 level is very weak, and also the 10.5 thousand level is also very weak. And there is two CME gaps. One has already filled at 10.5 thousand levels, and the only one is left below, which is at 9.6 thousand levels. As you have seen, I have demonstrated with the diagram of bars over here. So the better understanding of the downwards movement that is going to get occurred in coming days and weeks. The main support over here is 9,200 levels, and I have seen in the heat map there are lots of orders are need to be executed at this level, which is above 600 BTC, and 600 Bitcoin order is a very huge orders to get filled over this support level. But if we reject it from this level, we can get back to 8,000 to 7,800 levels. And if we get below, the worst situation is 7,200 levels. But in my opinion, 0.6 Fibonacci level is the golden pocket level. So in my opinion, we will not get below more than that, and we are going to see a huge upside movement after a small correction, a short-term bearish pattern. As I have already told you in the stock market, a short-term bearish pattern or short correction. Also in gold, we are going to form a handle, which is also you can say small correction from the all-time high. Now the all-time high of August and September, we are going to see a correction movement to these support and resistance levels. 9,000 level is the key level to watch over here. 9,200 and 8,400. These are the levels that Bitcoin can get easily in the near future. As you can see, there is a sales signal over here, and I am expecting it to come over here in the coming days and weeks like this, and it will show us that Bitcoin is going to be a flash crash towards these levels. 9,000 level is a very key level, and we can see a bounce back from here to 11,000 level. But in my opinion, if we reject it from this level, we can get back to 8,500 levels, which will be a flash crash. So guys, be safe. This is the short futures trade opportunity. Also, you can play in spot trading. As you can see, in spot trading, you have to buy the dips and sell at high levels. So we can see there are two scenarios with Bitcoin in upcoming weeks. First is 9,200 level, and second is 8,500 level, and the worst is 7,900 level. Well, let me tell you, these supports are very good, and we can see a lots of support over here, 8,500, here support, resistance, and here is resistance over here, and also you can see resistance over here. So there are more chances that we can go to 8,500 levels. Also, let me tell you one more thing, that we have a good chance to bounce from 9,200 levels, because we have a good resistance at this level, and we have a good support at this level. Resistance, and there is some support over here. So maybe this level can get back to 11,000 after the bounce. Or if we reject it, we are going to see below support and resistance levels. And also there is a good thing I like to discuss, that we are seeing a very low volume. As you can see, a decline in the volume is showing us that a big move is coming. In October, there will be a big move coming. After the correction, we can see Bitcoin really above the 12,000 levels, because after every decline volume we always see a big move. And also Bitcoin is manipulated because there are some whales with big orders, big supplies, so that's why although it's manipulative as well because of the big whales. But gradually, after shifting the powers to common people, the supply and demand theory, this manipulation will get back to zero, and we are watching it happen in mass adoption level. The price actions and price movements will not be in control anymore, in anyone's control. So it's better to wait for the mass adoption to make this manipulation goes to normal. Well, this is the agenda of today's video. I will get back to you in the next video. Till then, you have to watch this Charles Edwards tweet. Trump wants to win the election. The stock market is his measure of success. He believes he can influence market price through policy and UBI. Money supply will continue to grow. How can you be bearish in Bitcoin? Exactly the same opinion that I have portrayed in the previous analysis on Bitcoin, gold, and stock price. That Donald Trump and the Trump election is going to happen, and the strong stock market numbers is yet to come. So this is the funniest and the bullish tweet I have ever seen right now, and very good reason for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies to surge higher in price. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye. In the next video. Take care. Bye.